Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm out in the garden as usual, and it's another beautiful day here. And I've just been doing some work getting some of my raised beds ready for the spring. This one I've just been putting some fresh soil in here, just getting ready to transplant some strawberry plants from last year's crop. Is in here. As you can see, it's just really thick with strawberry plants, and yeah, so I was just going to be thinning some of those out and planting them in a new bed to get more strawberries, which you can never have too many strawberries. So I'm hoping to have a ton of strawberries this year so I can like freeze them and just eat a lot of them. Yeah, today I wanted to make a video about juice and just share some of my thoughts on the topic of juice. Basically, I'm not a huge fan. I don't really drink juice. I don't recommend it. Personally, I don't really like juice. Like, I like the taste of it, but I don't like the idea of drinking drinking my food on a regular basis. Like, I much prefer just eating my food whole or as a smoothie. Like, and if you watch my what I eat in a day videos, like, I don't drink smoothies either. I make them really thick and I eat them with a spoon. And I think that doing that encourages you to eat them more slowly and really like almost chew the smoothie, right? Like, don't like not to consume it abnormally quickly. I think that's one of the main issues I see with juice is that it's just way too tempting to kind of just chug it. I know for me at least, maybe others have more self-discipline, but yeah, I don't know. And like if you're doing that like on a regular basis, like having your calories in liquid form and then just like chugging them, uh I see a lot of issues with that. I mean, you're gonna be like, and the fact that there's no fiber in juice either. When you juice fruits and vegetables, you're removing the fiber. Um, from my understanding, fiber is really it's really critical in having like the proper absorption of all the nutrients in the food. If you don't have the fiber, you're going to be absorbing all those nutrients uh, too quickly, and especially if you're chugging the juice or drinking it like really fast, you're going to be taking in all that sugar and all those nutrients too quickly, I feel like, and I feel like that can lead to many different potential issues. So basically, I don't see juice like as a regular thing. I don't see it as a healthy option. I think once in a while, have some juice. I don't think it's the end of the world. I don't think it's necessarily a bad thing if you like it. But as a regular thing, I wouldn't do it. And yeah, and then there's like all these just still it seems really like a popular thing to do these like juice fasts and juice cleanses and all this stuff I keep seeing. And really like maybe they have a time and a place for maybe for someone who is trying to heal from some kind of really serious chronic disease or something. I don't want to comment too much on that because I'm not super knowledgeable on all those things, but I feel like a lot of times like these people promoting juice fasts and cleanses and stuff, they're attracting people who are like already healthy, and I feel like just a lot of times it's not necessary. Like people are just like spending a ton of money to do these juice cleanses and stuff when they don't really need to. Uh and I feel like a lot of times it's just like another kind of fad thing that people get into, that people get attracted to. I don't think it's necessary, and I think a lot of times it can do more harm than good. So yeah, that's basically what I think about juice. I I don't drink it hardly ever. I bought juice once last year when I was stranded at an airport. And so I think like in emergency type situations like that, if you're stranded on a desert island or something, or at an airport, and the only good option you have is juice, well, drink the damn juice. But like if you have the choice, I personally much prefer going for like the whole food rather than juicing the food. And I would generally recommend that for most people as well. So, yeah, that's basically what I think. And let me know what you think. And until then, until next time, have a great day. And I will see you again soon in another video. Bye.